The Supreme Court on Wednesday endorsed the investigation being carried out by market regulator SEBI into allegations against the Adani Group of companies, saying that the power of the court to enter the regulatory domain of SEBI is limited. The allegations against the groups were raised in a report by US-based short seller Hindenburg. So what was this judgment about? In March last year, the Apex Court had set up a 6-member committee to investigate if there was a regulatory failure in dealing with the alleged contravention of laws pertaining to the securities market in relation to the Adani Group or other companies. It had also asked the SEBI to probe if there was a violation of the minimum public shareholding norms in public limited firms, if there was a failure to disclose transactions with related parties, and if there was manipulation of stock prices. On November 24 in 2023, the 3-judge bench of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra reserved its decision on the petitions objecting to accusations of conflict of interest against the members of the committee it had constituted. The court has now said that SEBI must carry out the investigation to its logical end, adding that no ground was made out for transfer of probe from the regulatory board. It also added that SEBI has completed investigation in 20 out of 22 matters, and it further said, and I quote, "Taking into account the assurance of the Solicitor General, we direct SEBI to complete the investigation in other 2 cases, preferably within 3 months." The Supreme Court also added that the allegations of conflict of interest of expert committee members is unsubstantiated and rejected. The CJI said that one cannot treat what is set out in the Hindenburg report as ipso facto a true state of affairs. He also added that that is why SEBI was directed to investigate. With the Hindenburg report accusing the Adani Group of brazen stock manipulation and accounting fraud scheme over the course of decades, the opposition protested against the current government demanding a Joint Parliamentary Committee probe into the allegations. The protests led to the washout of the budget session of Parliament. The Adani Group of companies has denied the allegations, stating that it shows brazen, malified intention to undermine Adani Group's reputation.